Today we are going to take a dive into pool manufacturing at Cardinal Systems. We had an amazing opportunity to interview some of their employees. Here's Ryan Smith.
I love working here. It's a great company. They treat us all very well, and I get to do what I love most, which is design work. I deal a lot with 3D modeling in SolidWorks.
Now, before we dive deeper, let's make a splash into international waters with Derek Hendricks and Mike Cornea.
Have you ever had any international orders? Anybody from a different country?
Yeah, we have customers in England. We're recently starting to investigate Mexico and Puerto Rico, and we have, for some reason, we do seem to have pool kits that go to Israel. They seem to order pool kits from us on a semi-regular basis. So we do have a bit of a international presence. Canada as well. We actually have one of our branch locations is
famous celebrities.
Jody Messina, country artist, bought a pool from us. The Tuttles from Orange County Chopper.
Some cast of the Jersey Shore.
Nookie, yeah. I think Bruce Springsteen, Billy Joel.
Cardinal Systems specializes in ensuring high-quality pools and meeting their customers' needs. You can depend on Cardinal Systems to give you the pool or lazy river of your dreams. They do all of these things while giving you a great experience and an even better result.